In today's video, you will learn how to delete a language course on Duolingo. In a quick and simple way, you can use your mobile device, but in this case, we will use Duolingo website. This process only takes a moment to complete, but there are a few important things you should know before removing any course from your account. To begin, just press I already have an account, then put your email and password. Once the page is loaded, you will be able to manage your account settings and view the language courses connected to your account. Before continuing, keep in mind that this method only works if you already have 2 or more language courses added to your account. If you currently have only one course, the platform will not allow you to remove it. So, if the delete option is not appearing, that is usually the reason why. After confirming that you have more than one course available, tap the More icon located in the lower left corner of the screen. Then tap Settings and hover over the Courses tab. This will open the settings page where you can manage different account options and learning preferences. This section displays all of the courses you have started and currently have saved on your account. Now find the specific language course you want to delete. Take a moment to double-check that you are selecting the correct one, especially if you are studying multiple languages at the same time. On the right side of each course, you will notice a red Remove button. Tap that icon to continue. As soon as you tap it, a confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to remove the course. This is the most important part of the process because deleting a language course on Duolingo is permanent. Once the course is removed, all progress connected to that course will be erased completely, including lessons, achievements, and learning history. There is no option to recover the deleted progress later, so make sure you are completely certain before moving forward. If you are ready to continue, tap the large red Remove button at the bottom of the screen. After that, the selected course will immediately disappear from your course list, confirming that it has been successfully deleted. That is all you need to do to remove a language course from your account.